બાળ મિત્રો, આજે આપણે ABCD શીખીશું. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for gun, H for house, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for king, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nose, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umpire, V for violin, W for watch, X for Christmas tree, Y for